If you need to add a screenshot into Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you the easiest way to insert a screenshot directly into your document so you can save time and keep everything inside Word without switching between apps or copying and pasting manually. This is a simple feature, but it's incredibly useful for reports, tutorials, documentation, and any document where you want to capture exactly what's on your screen. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and tricks. All right, let's jump in. First, open the Microsoft Word document where you want the screenshot to appear. This can be a blank document, an assignment, a report, or any existing file you're working on. Once your document is open, look at the top ribbon and click the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where Word keeps tools for adding images, tables, shapes, screenshots, and other content into your document. After you click Insert, look for the Screenshot option. Depending on your version of Word, this may appear in the ribbon near the Illustrations or Images section. Click Screenshot, and Word will show you a list of available windows that are currently open on your computer. These are the windows you can capture and insert directly into your document. Now choose the window you want to insert. If you click one of the available windows, Word will place a full screenshot of that window right into your document automatically. This is the fastest way to capture a complete application window, browser page, or other open program without using an external screenshot tool. It's a great option when you want a clean, full window capture that stays inside your Word file. If you want to move the screenshot, simply click it and drag it into position. You can also resize it using the corner handles if you want it smaller or larger. That gives you more control over the layout of your page, so your document looks neat and professional. If needed, you can also use Word's built-in picture formatting tools to adjust the appearance even further. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've learned how to insert a screenshot into Microsoft Word using the built-in screenshot feature. This is one of the easiest ways to add visual context to your documents, and once you know where to find it, it becomes a really fast part of your workflow. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.